Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So on this video guys, we are quickly going to be talking about the latest updates as regards the billion network airdrop. All right, so billion network airdrop have been buzzing all over the web3, and a lot of people are actually scared of some of the update that's coming around, ranging from the trial card to the latest update right now, which is the fact that one of the team just dropped out, and this has actually put fear in the community, and a lot of people who don't really understand what's going on are beginning to think that billion network is about to crash because one of the major team members, the community leader, just dropped out. And on this video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the reason why he dropped out, and also we are going to be talking about how you need to react to this correctly. Okay, so welcome to this video. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel guys, I teach you all about crypto. I help you position for a lot of crypto airdrop. I give you daily updates, and I help you with a lot of things that's going to be putting you on the better side of web3 in order to make money and progress as a whole. All right, so right now guys, without wasting time, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, look below the video you're watching right now. You are going to see the subscription button right there. Click on it to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell that will be appearing and select all, so that whenever I post new video, YouTube will send it to you. Also go ahead to give this video a thumbs up like this, then drop an interesting comment. Make sure you also share the video, that's very important. So right now, without but done, let's now get back to the major update as regards the billion network airdrop. All right, so looking over here, a lot of you out there may have heard about trial card. All right, so a lot of you may have heard about trial card, and looking over here, I'm not going to be talking about trial card on this particular video, but I need you to understand that trial card is something that you should get your hands on. I'm going to be making a separate video about trial card, but that's definitely not going to be on this particular video. So right now, talking about billion network airdrop and their latest update, I need you guys to disregard any rumor that have it that billion network is about to crash. It is not about to crash. The only thing that happened is that one of the team member who happened to be the community leader had some health issue, and now he's writing that he's dropping off from web3 as a whole. You know what that means? That simply means that anything web3, he's getting his hands off it. And on this video, we are going to be talking about the reason why he does that. So over here guys, if you haven't yet started with the billion network airdrop, you still have a little time window, though I think the first snapshot has been taken, but there's still a little time for you to accumulate more and more points if you are a new member. But if you are an old member, you are definitely not going to be continuing to earn points, because after the last snapshot, they announced that only new members are going to be accumulating points. Old members are stuck with their old point. Okay, so right now guys, let's go and devour the whole information right here, starting from the Twitter. So over here guys, X or Twitter, whichever one you want to call it, over here they made this tweet right here saying that sad news, our friend and head of community, who happened to be this name right here, is saying goodbye. Thank you Javi for 2 amazing years building with heart and care. You are irreplaceable, and you always be part of the billions. Now over here, this is actually the public post that Billion Network made regarding the departure of their head of community. And over here, this was actually the actual write-up from the person that just left the team. This is what he said, and this is how you should understand it. Majority of you out there who are saying that billion network airdrop is crashing, I need to understand that that is not true. It is not crashing. We are getting to the end of the whole stuff, and we are going to be claiming our airdrop very soon. So over here guys, this is what the guy actually said right here. His name is Javi, and over here guys, he said, I have decided to quit my job at Billions and take an extended break. After 5 non-stop years working in Web3, I'm taking some time off to focus on my health, body, and mind. Now, looking over here, right here, you can see that he actually generalized right here when he said working on Web3. So he generalized, meaning that he's not only quitting Billion Network, but he's quitting other Web3 projects and Web3 as a whole, probably. And over here, he said that he's going to be focusing on his body. You can see on his health, body, and mind, and Of course, I don't really understand what he actually meant by that, but I believe he's maybe find something better, or maybe he has had enough and now he's trying to focus more on his health, body, and mind and live a peaceful life from there, and get to take a break from all the stress of web3 and other stuffs like that. So this is what actually happened, and any rumor you are having out there that Billion Network is about to crash, then that is wrong. I've just dismantled it right now. Billion Network is still very, very foundational and very strong, and nothing has actually happened very bad on it, and this is all that happened right now. This is the latest update right now as regards the Billion Network airdrop. And over here on the Discord, this is where some announcements were actually made. So over here you can see the same announcement was actually made right here, adding that from now on, announcements in Discord will be handled by our head of content, who happen to be this guy right here. They are his head of the content and head of content actually, and from now he's going to be the one who's going to be dropping updates right here on Discord after Javi actually departed for his he knows his reason the most. Nobody who knows what he knows. Okay, so this is the latest update right now as regards the Billion Network airdrop. Do not forget that the TGE is coming very soon, and also I'm going to be making a video concerning the trial card and of course how you can be able to acquire it. Remember, there are a lot of airdrop and reward coming for people with trial cards, so I'm going to be making a separate video for that, so that any of you who wants to go into it will follow the video guide and get his or hers. Okay, so remember, this video is just for educational purpose and entertainment purpose. It is no way a financial advice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video dropping very, very soon.